Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy Snowman Brookies. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of brownie mix, any kind you like, and then of course what it calls for to make that per back of the box. Mine's just water, 1 egg, and some vegetable oil. Then you need some of the Pillsbury shape cookies. I'm using the snowman because I just think they're super cute. And then I also am going to use some sprinkles, just some snowflake sprinkles. Let's go ahead and make our brownies per the back of the box. Mine says to preheat my oven to 350. Then I'm just going to mix everything together. My brownies are all mixed together and I just use the spatula to scrape down the sides. So now I have a 9x13 baking pan here. And I put some parchment paper in there and I'm just going to pour my brownies and spread them evenly. That looks great to me and that is pretty thin, but we are going to cover this with our cookies. That looks great. I used 15 of my snowman cookies and now I am just going to sprinkle my snowflake sprinkles all around. That looks so cute to me. So now we are going to go ahead and get that in our preheated oven. I'm going to check mine after 25 minutes. My brownies just came out of the oven and I'm just going to let them sit here and cool for a little bit. All of my sprinkles kind of melted into the batter, so I'm just going to add some more and just press them in right now before they harden up. My brownies have cooled off and I just went ahead and cut them with a sharp knife. And now we will see what Taste Tester thinks. I think they turned out so cute. We've got one here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dana, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.